Hi, welcome to the Olympiad geometry. Let's continue our study on the 9-point circle. Here is a problem. Show that the segment from any point on the circumcircle of triangle ABC to its auxiliary center is equally divided by the 9-point circle of triangle ABC. So let's just draw the circumcircle first. And we find A, B, C here. If we see A, D, B, E are altitude, so this is the auxiliary center, and we want to prove that any point on the circumcircle to the auxiliary center, right? And we find the midpoint here, and we need to prove that midpoint is on the 9-point circle. So before doing this, let's just consider general condition, right? So this is a circle O. Let's just find any point here. Any point. Let's call it P. So we can find arbitrary chord through the P, right? Through the point P. Now we consider this. Let's say it's A, B, C, D, right? We have chord AB and chord CD are through the P. So we already know that A, C, B, D are cyclic. We can connect AC, we can connect DB. Right? It's very easy to prove that triangle APC is similar to triangle DPB, right? Let's just find the midpoint from PB. Let's call it M. Find the midpoint of PD, call it N. Find the midpoint of AP, call it S. Find the midpoint of PC, call it T. Right? Because S, T are midpoints of AP and PC, so ST is in parallel with AC, right? Which means this angle equals to this angle equals to this angle, this angle equals to this angle, right? Angle ACT equals to angle STP, right? Similarly, if we connect NM, because M, N are midpoints of PB and PD respectively, so we got MN is in parallel with DB, right? Which means this angle equals to this angle, and this angle equals to this angle. And we already know that the angle CAP equals to angle BDP, right? Which means we got angle MNP equals to angle TSP, right? So we got that STNM is cyclic. It is a cyclic quadrilateral, right? This just tells us one thing, that in the circle O, we can find any point, and if we do, and if we just find any point on the circle, on this circle, and we find the midpoint from the point on the circle to this arbitrary point we find. All the midpoints are on the same circle. Right, that's what we just found. So here, we already find the point H in the circle O. Right, so we are sure that any midpoint from H to the any point on the circle to the H, and we found the midpoint. All the midpoints are on the same circle, right? And we already know that if we connect the H, we extend the AD to, for example, H prime. We already proved in previous video, proved it several times that HD equals to DH prime, right? So this equals to this, which already means that D is a midpoint from H to H prime. E is a midpoint from H to H prime, and F is a midpoint from H to H3 prime, right? We already find that. That means this circle is fixed. It's already been defined by the FED. Right, so all other midpoints should be on the same circle, and this circle, the circle defined by FDE, that's a 9-point circle of the triangle ABC, and thus all other midpoints should be on this circle, should be on the 9-point circle, which also means that 9-point circle equally divided the distance from any point to the author center. Okay, that's today's problem. I hope you like this one. See you in next one. Thank you.